So, we have some things that we're going to show you. And we also have some more Play-Doh, which will be here. We got a pink one and a black one. Some bubbles and a cool fidget spinner. And we also have this thing. And this just came in our collection. But that's just not true. We'll make a YouTube of all our ships. Yeah. We made so many ships. Yeah. I made the most because I made so many. He made so many. Like tons of stuff like this. It's a wrapper thing. And okay, let's just get made this, but that was cool. So this fidget spinner, it's like all another one. Let's just not do it. Okay. So it's just bubbles. So let's just go on to everyone knows bubble. And bubble, you just blow it. No. I just did that for no reason. Could you open the Play-Doh? Alright, could you open these Play-Dohs? Because I'm going to show them really close. Okay. Here, use pink. Use black. So, show them what you're into. I need to get it out. I know. There's tons of it. Just show them like 1 second and then you have to get onto that because it has to be 5 minutes or less. There we go. Now some pink. And we're done. Yep. Okay. So he's just doing something. Then we go to the green eggs. We'll probably have some cool Legos in there. Or, yeah. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 eggs in there, but. And we have a surprise thing. So that's what's in it. That's not open yet. So let's open this thing up. What could this be? It's just regular Play-Doh. But who cares? Let's get this black guy. Oh, can you go get that? Okay, just get one this first. Oh, he's just a broken guy. We'll build him really fast. Okay, he's done. First, I need to get something. Really cool. Yeah, look at Lego Prince. Okay. Time. Lego guy marks. But pretty funny, but weird. Okay. No need. Time to open this big one. Whoa, it's reddish and blue. Oh, that means it's Spider-Man. We got Spider-Man. Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man. Got some Spider-Man. Here. What he looks. This is what he looks like. So, here's Spider-Man from Spider-Man Homecoming. So, we'll just open this. Just a head. Probably it's going to come with more. Ooh, and a guy. So, have a guy. This guy. And I need cards to go there. That's real fast, right? Okay, time to put them together. There's a lot of Play-Doh. He's Play-Doh is. So, here's this guy. It's probably a bad guy. Who knows?
What's probably a bad guy?
Oh, there's another egg. And we'll put them together. So.
Where is the Play-Doh? We'll show you about this Play-Doh next.
So here it is.
Some Play-Doh, some
And
people
that's it.
don't know what Play-Doh is.
We're done.